Download and install the ZEVpoint Home app. Next, sign up, connect to the Wi-Fi and switch on the Bluetooth option as well. Next, plug in the charger into the power source and switch it on. Now, click on Add Device and provide all the necessary information regarding Bluetooth and location. Next, you will find the charger in the Discovery section. Click on Add Device. Enter the Wi-Fi details for the charger. Now wait for the device to be completely connected to your mobile phone. In case the device is not visible in the Discovery section, add the charger manually by selecting the Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth option. Now press Next and enter the Wi-Fi details again. Wait for the EV charger to be added and connected to your mobile phone. Moving on to the charger settings option. Now, to select the desired value of current or charging speed, click on the charging current option and then select the desired value amongst the options available. Now press OK to confirm. Next, to schedule charging, press on the schedule charging option and press confirm. Now, set the starting and the ending time of the charging schedule. You can also select the charging current as well as the days of the week when you want the charging to begin automatically. If you want push notifications, click on the reminder of 15 minutes before charging option and then press confirm option to schedule. Next, you also have the option to check your previous charging sessions record. You can do that by pressing the data option on the home page. You can also check for the total electricity consumption as well as the cost of electricity consumed in the data section. You can also check the usage and the cost between a certain date range as well. You can also get a better estimate on the time taken as well as the range added to the vehicle for every charging session by entering the vehicle information under the Settings tab. If you do not wish to use the mobile application to use the charger, you can also switch on the plug and charge mode from the home page and press confirm option. The charger is also enabled with RFID option, so you can start or stop the charging session using the ZEVpoint RFID cards included in the box.